Letter number 9. To Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Our people, the Quraysh, decided to kill our Prophet and to annihilate our route. They created worries for us, behaved with us harshly, denied us ease of life, exposed us to fear, forced us to take refuge in a rugged mountain and ignited for us the flames of war. Allah then gave us determination to protect His religion and defend His honor. The believers among us expected heavenly reward from it, and the unbelievers among us gave their support because of kinship. Those who accepted Islam from among the Quraysh were away from the distresses in which we were involved either because of a pledge that protected them, or because of the tribe that would rise to support them. They were therefore safe from killing. The way with the Prophet, may Allah bless him and his descendants, was that when fighting became fierce and people began to lose ground, he would send forward members of his family and through them protect his companions from the attacks of swords and spears. In this way Ubaidah ibn Haris was killed on the day of Badr, Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib on their day of Ohad, and Ja'far ibn Abi Talib on the day of Mu'tah. One more person, whom I can name if I wish, desired to seek martyrdom as they did. But their deaths approached, while his death had not yet approached. How strange it is that I am being grouped with him who never evinced briskness of pace like me, nor had he to his credit any achievement like mine. Unless he claims something of which I do not know and which I think Allah too does not know. In any case, all praise belongs to Allah. As regards your request to hand over to you the murderers of Osman, I have thought over this matter and I do not find their handing over to you or to someone else possible for me. By my life, if you do not give up your wrong ways and disruptive acts, you will surely know them. They will shortly be seeking you, and will not give you the trouble of seeking them in land, sea, mountains or plain. But this search will be painful for you and their visit will not give you happiness. Peace be on those who deserve it.